Hey guys. Okay. So, hey guys. I'd be willing to tell you this, but I know you're gonna unsubscribe, but I'm just trying to make my family earn money. And by never mind. And by I mean by that, like what I mean by that, oh my god, I can't even talk right. Anyways, by I mean like that, like whoa, okay. Calm down. Okay. So I want to make my mom earn money. And I'm fatherless, by the way. Oh my god. Why does it take forever for me to talk? Anyways, this is a voice reveal. And the reason I'm telling you this because I didn't ask my mom for permission to make a YouTube channel. So yeah, we got Jammer. Bro, wait, never mind. Just reminded. April, red cup. April. Okay. Anyways, yeah, that's all. And I know you're gonna subscribe and dislike this video, but